Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Toyota Grand Highlander. First, let's establish the basic proportions. Lightly sketch a rectangular box to represent the main body, then add a smaller box on top for the cabin. Think about the vehicle's length versus its height, aiming for a balanced look. These initial lines are just guides, so don't press too hard. We're building a foundation for our Grand Highlander, ensuring everything is in proportion before adding details. Now, let's bring in some of the Grand Highlander's unique characteristics. Carefully outline the bold grille and the sleek headlight design. Next, sketch the prominent wheel arches and define the vehicle's side profile, paying attention to its robust and elegant lines. Don't forget to add the door lines and window shapes, ensuring they align with your initial proportions. These details are crucial for making your drawing recognizable as a Grand Highlander. With the key features in place, it's time to refine your drawing. Go over the essential lines, darkening them to create a clean, crisp outline for your Grand Highlander. Then, begin applying basic shading to introduce depth and form. Think about where your light source is coming from to create realistic shadows and highlights. This step transforms your sketch into a more three-dimensional representation, giving it a polished look. Finally, add any last small details like the Toyota emblem or subtle reflections on the windows. Refine any remaining lines and ensure your shading creates a sense of depth and realism. A few final touches can really bring your drawing to life, making it pop off the page. And hey, while you're focusing on your art, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.